Hey, what is popping, everybody? It has been a minute
Yep.
since I've been out to do a mall vlog. Me and my mini-me, we gonna do a mall vlog today. We gonna kind of see what's going on in store and stuff like that. I'm hoping to get you guys an early look, semi-early, because tomorrow's release day of the band Jordan 1 lows. And also, they dropped the black Huaraches that Kobe dunked on Dwight Howard in. Nobody's talking about those, and I want to see those, so we're gonna see what we can see in the mall today. I appreciate you guys for tapping in. I hope y'all enjoy this. Make sure y'all hit the like button, hit the hype button, do all those great things. And yeah, man, let's get off into this mall. Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. All right, so we're gonna go up in the Foot Locker first. We come up in here, they got a bunch of Kobe's just sitting around like back in the old time, man. Fade the black joints in here. These joints in here. They got pretty much all of the Kobe's, these joints sitting in here as well. So man, go up into your stores. They even got the Mamba gear, bro. They even got the Mamba gear, as you guys can see right here, up into the stores. All right, headed back to the wall. We do have a lot of stuff. We have the GT joints. We got the Ja joints, the GT cut joints, and then going to the wall, all the Anthony Edwards here. Like, it's Anthony Edwards for days, bro. Anthony Edwards for days. And then we also have a bunch of stuff here. These are like smaller sizes in the Lower Merion Kobe's. The Kobe 3s, the 81 points up there, the Jaws. We have these sitting here, Jurassic Park pack. So man, yeah, get up into your stores, man. It's a lot of stuff sitting around up in here. As far as the retros go, we got KD's, Griffey's, Foam Posits, Stranger Things. What? Nah, them can't be in here. So a lot of the 2K4s, Jason Williams joints, Deion Sanders joints, whole bunch of retros in here as well. Jordan brand, these are actually fire to me. I actually like these. They're gonna have to go on sale for me to get them though. Pockets are thinking about nothing but Kobe's right now. These joints that just dropped. The other quality on these is not bad at all, bro. Columbia 11 lows or University Blue lows. And then, I mean, that's it for Jordans. These are the 6s that just recently dropped. I really don't like these, bro, at all. All right, so I can't believe I just looked over this. So these are the joints that I was talking about, the Huaraches, the all black joint. Leather quality looks good on these. These are tough. These are the ones that, like I said, Kobe dunked on Dwight Howard. So definitely will be picking these up. These are gonna sit around just like all the other ones, but yeah, definitely a dope pair. All right, y'all, so Foot Locker had a lot, so I'm gonna head off into JD Sports, see what's popping over here. All right, so walk up in JD Sports, you guys can see, they already got the band 1 sitting out here, bro. I don't know if that's procedural or what, but they got them out here. So we about to take a look at those. And then they do have the 6s here, as you guys can see right here. Still got some pairs of the Greedy Air Max 95s up in here. We do have the lows here as well. So man, yeah, dude, gotta get off into your stores. Same thing, kind of like in all the stores, we have the Jurassic Park Ja 3s, both pairs in here. Don't know what sizes are here. KD's, of course, they're here. They got these reduced. And we also have these dropped today as well, if I'm not mistaken. These dropped today. These are the low top of the Deion's and 170, I think. Yeah, 170, bruh. Sheesh, I heard you gotta go up a half a size on these though. But yeah, these are here as well. I think these were just kid sizes or whatever, but these 4s are in here as well. I don't know about these, bro. I ain't even gonna lie to you. But if y'all looking for them, they are definitely in stores for y'all. But yeah, these ain't it for me. All right, y'all, so here is what we are here for. These are the Jordan 1 low bands. These drop tomorrow. As you guys can see, you got the red X on the side of the box. You know what I'm saying? This is going to be a size 9. It says, imagine if packaging this presentation, Nike did their thing. You feel what I'm saying? So there you go. Pause the video if you need to legit check your pair. Open this thing up. Regular paper. Oh, of course, they got the shoes wrapped like mummies. Hold on. All right, man, I have to unwrap it. I don't want to unwrap both of them, so I'm just going to do one. But this is going to be the shoe, man. Y'all let me know down in the comment section. Quality is crazy. Quality is amazing on the sneaker. Y'all see that big Nike swoosh on the side. Leather is good, you know what I'm saying? Nike Air on the tongue. You got that bread colorway, the white outsole with the red on the bottom. Inside of the sneaker is going to be the exact same thing. And then the uniqueness of this sneaker on the back, you do have that X. Kind of like the, y'all remember the Rebellionaires? Kind of like that, you know what I'm saying? You have the date right here, 10/18/1984. You got an X in there. And then the insole, bro. Like, hold on, I know you come with other sets of laces. You do have the red set of laces in here. You got the black, and I'm pretty sure the other one comes with the white. But on the inside of the shoe, it does say, on October 18, 1984, they were thrown out of the game. You feel what I'm saying? Because that's the whole story behind this sneaker. They weren't supposed to wear the colored sneakers, and they did, man. But yeah, man, these are fire, bro. These are fire, bro. These are definitely a must cop. I don't think that they're going to sell out right away. Eventually they will. I think they'll do restocks and stuff like that, but for the most part, I don't see these things actually flying off the shelf ASAP. But I could be wrong with that because you just never know in the sneaker community nowadays. But we did have the Chicagos. They kind of flew, and they had the Black Toes did the same thing. But these are fire. Leather quality is good. Amazing sneaker. Y'all let me know down in the comment section what are y'all thoughts and opinions. These are definitely coming home with your boy, man. Must have sneaker. So we seen JD. Foot Locker, a lot of places, got to see a lot of different things. Hope you guys have made up y'all mind. This help y'all make up your mind about the Band Jordan 1s. A lot of stuff in stores. Got to get out into your locations and see what's going on. But my camera ended up dying on me, so had to switch over to the cell phone just to close out this video. But y'all make sure y'all hit that like button. Let me know down in the comment section what did y'all see in all the wall of sneakers that's been sitting around that y'all like. And what is she doing? Yo, what is she? These Tic Tacs be crazy, man. But that's all I got for y'all. Y'all know the saying, man. Rappers like never sight. Remember everything we talk about, just bait.
But wait for me to share my face.
Hey, we gonna catch y'all next one. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Knowledge.